had started off with text functions, right? This particular one. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, Maitri, we were doing that only. Yeah.
We were doing this. Okay.
Hi, Madhuli. Good evening. Ramya here.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually, the assignment one, I just tried to work on it. Uh, so in order, I was not able to replace Q. I just tried my level best. I'm not sure why I was not able to replace the Q quantity. There are certain quantities in certain columns only number, in certain columns it was Q. So to make it uniform, we have to remove that Q, right? We have to replace it, right? So I was
Yes.
just trying that. It was not allowing me to do.
Okay. You can try out two things over there.
Hmm.
First is you can split that column.
Okay.
That is one thing. Or
Hmm.
else, if you are not going for that, there's one more is which you have like extraction. First character extraction is very much available over there.
See, I initially thought because there is a 10 8 is there, so I thought, okay, let me go for replace. So why it is not allowing replace? It has to be there, right?
That depends on what you are trying to do. Hold on, just a
Hmm.
second. Uh, Priyanka Swain, am I right? She's the one who messaged us to say that there is no instructions on the first assignment, or is it Priyanka Jain?
Uh, I messaged that, but then I thought it is a transforming data, so we need to do by ourselves. So I tried at my level.
First of all, to understand that you are doing completely by yourself. Yes, you are going to do it. I understand that. But then, see, if at all your people are stuck up, you can always come to me to for your questions. But since it's a most basic cleaning one, I didn't thought that's really necessary to keep any kinds of instructions. Why don't you
Yes.
people try out? That's the logic behind it. Not everywhere, even at your workplace, nobody's going to give us come us with instructions, right? Second one, if you see, it has got instructions because you're supposed to create some new columns and all that you're going to do. Okay, just for you all, I'm just connecting. Huh? Hold on. Okay. Uh, Ramya, you are here, right?
Yes, yes, here in order, quantity, yeah.
Okay. Now, what is it that actually, first of all, had you gone for any kind of change type? It won't allow you because it's kind of like what to say. It is thinking as to what is to be done, right? Because it's
Mm,
unable to really assign any specific data type.
mm,
Why? Reason being, few of them are numerics. Something is 8q, a bit odd for it. Few are null. How to really, it couldn't assess as to what
okay.
should be the data type. That's the reason it has left off with 1, 2, 3, I mean ABC 1, 2, 3. But for the
Mm,
rest, if you see, it has already kind of detected small intuition. It has really applied and said, yeah, those are all fine. I mean, either a numerics or your date column and so on.
mm.
Okay, here, right click. You don't have option of replace, just errors are there.
Yes.
I can do one thing. Let me come to the top area. Hold on, ma. If I come to transform, yeah,
Mm,
replace values is very much there.
mm.
Use this. There's not only 8q, you will have 10q and so on.
Yeah,
Q and replace with just leave it as it is, which
yeah.
means Q
Mm.
will be replaced with nothing, or in other
None.
words, Q will be removed.
Mm.
Okay, it didn't allow us. Then
Ah,
we should do one thing.
mm.
We should force it to go ahead for ABC, or I will suggest let it go for your 8 thing. I mean, 1, 2, 3. Now, okay,
It's
okay.
coming error. Yeah, even for me. The
Maitri, it
Mhm.
same.
works. It will work in the original thing itself, Maitri. Even I tried it the same way. It worked.
Yeah, hold on. There are two ways actually, Venkatesh.
Mm.
Okay. First thing I can do, one first shortcut thing I can try out is replace all the null values by 0. It will do that first for me.
Okay.
And how many 8 queues are there? I mean, queues, how many of them are there? Let me see. Okay. You're saying it doesn't allow us, right?
Mm.
Okay. Just for one try, let me try. It does allow, huh? But then not at big, okay. As a whole, it has been allowing, not like a queue is not been allowed to change to your that other one. Anyway, maybe now we might be able to. Let's see. Okay, I had a better idea in mind. Hold on, ma. At times, if one item, one way of it doesn't work, means
Mm.
we have to go for another one. Can I split the column? By delimiter, number of characters. Okay. Oh, sorry. Mm. Oh,
Can we use extract text before delimiter here?
I guess yes. Hold on. No? Now see, it got all done.
You changed to text, then you replaced it, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So we have
So
first to change to
zeros, that
text.
null to be zeros. First
Mm.
was null to zeros. Then
Mm.
I changed it to your ABC. And
Mm.
then I replaced that queue out. I removed it. And then to the normal one, I to 1, 2, 3, I did. Yeah, one more voice I heard. What was that?
Can we
Extract
use
first character.
extract before text before delimiter?
Okay, what is the delimiter it'll give, ma?
I'll give Q.
Did it work?
Yeah, it worked for me. I removed all the nulls and then I used extract before delimiter.
Okay, how come you are removing none?
I filtered out actually
Why? Why? My question is why.
because it has got no sense, right? If there is no quantity, then why
Why
should
no
I keep
sense?
that?
Maybe the person who has created this particular table where it is done, it's kind of they have maybe they have forgotten to update it. Null quantities you're seeing 7 rows are there, and different customers only have ordered it, and that too with some particular product ID. They have ordered it, but how much quantity that has got really, I mean, the updation of that has got missed out. You cannot go like
The,
that.
yeah, yeah. So we can replace this by zeros, right?
Yes, because it's a quantity I'm replacing by
Mm,
0, like 1, 2, 3. Had it been any other, I would have to replace it in along accordingly. I would have to do. Like if it's some say, suppose a department name is something like that, then yes, either a proper one, I should proper department name if I have, I'll give that, or at least I'll say missing. If it's a gender
mm,
column, at least I can say missing. Sometimes we do put the gender column as other or missing, right? We cannot directly go and remove the null.
right, right. Yeah,
You
got it
have,
on.
I can see there are some like they, so I mean around, okay, 11, no, 35 repeated twice, okay, 11 once only, okay, 19 also repeated twice. So, but then they're all on different dates. And that too, they have ordered, and none of these are kind of repeating, only one. 886 is repeating, right? So don't go and
Right.
just filter out the null. Don't do that.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, that is one thing. Yes, one way is that, okay, you after I move this to the, I replace it with 0. You're saying you want to extract it, right? But even if you want to extract, it's better that I go for ABC and then do the extraction.
Right, right.
I
That's
change it to ABC and then, yes. Uh, but then split column, you can try by maybe by number of characters. If I put the number of characters as 1, it should split. By position also, you can try by, say, by first position, or maybe if I now try for extract and just say first characters, it's definitely going to work out. But then here you have to give me the value as 1 and then say. At that time, that Q and all gone. That's what I said.